Hey there, good morning everybody, it's Andrew from Level Telematics. Today I'm having my EO charger installed, so I thought I'd just cut a quick video to show you how easy and simple it's been. The process so far has been fantastic. Applied online for my charger, filled in a few forms, got some photographs of where the charger was going to be, submitted the online survey to EO. They dealt with the application for my government grant, and today finally I'm going to be installed with a 7 kilowatt charger at my house. Much easier to charge than the 3-pin plug I've been used to. So install started, everything's going well. Started to drill the holes through, and the good news is this is going to be on the wall soon and we're going to be able to charge the car. That's it. So the team at EVPV are now leaving site. Install's all done. Thanks very much guys, great job. Enjoy the rest of your day. Hi everybody, as you can see now my EO charger is fully installed. A very neat job, exactly where I wanted the charger to be. So you can't actually see it from the front of the house, it's lovely. And as you can see, come around to the side of the vehicle, it's now on charge. And I've got a 7 kilowatt charger courtesy of EO. Thanks very much guys, great work. Okay everybody, we can see that my vehicle is now on charge. I'm now using my EO charger that's been installed today by EVPV, the chosen installation team from my area in Warwickshire, on behalf of EO Charging. What a great easy process it's been today. A real tidy job as well. From beginning to end, working with EO has been fantastic, and that's why Level actually have partnered with them now, and we've got a full integration with our Geotab platform, so we get authentication at point of charge, which is absolutely fantastic. And if anybody is interested in having an EO charger fitted, or indeed Geotab fitted to their vehicles, please reach out to us, info@leveltelematics.com.